In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a copyright symbol in Adobe Photoshop quickly and correctly. Whether you're adding a watermark, protecting your artwork, or finalizing a design for a client, knowing how to insert the copyright symbol the right way is essential. The good news is, it only takes a few seconds once you know the shortcut. Make sure to watch until the end so you never have to copy and paste the symbol from Google again. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Photoshop tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open Adobe Photoshop and load the document where you want to add the copyright symbol. This can be an image, a logo, a poster, or any design you're currently working on. Once your project is open, go over to the left-hand toolbar and select the Type tool. The shortcut for that is the letter T on your keyboard. As soon as you press T, your cursor will change to the text cursor. Now click anywhere on your canvas where you want the copyright symbol to appear. Don't worry about the exact placement yet, because you can always move it afterward using the Move tool. After clicking on the canvas, Photoshop will create a new text layer automatically. Now here's the fastest way to insert the copyright symbol. If you're using Windows, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and then type 0169 using your numeric keypad. It's very important that you use the numeric keypad on the right side of your keyboard, not the numbers across the top. While holding Alt, type 0169, then release the Alt key. As soon as you release it, the copyright symbol will instantly appear. If you're using a Mac, the process is even simpler. Hold down the Option key and press the letter G. That's it. The copyright symbol will immediately show up in your text box. Once the symbol appears, you can customize it just like any other text in Photoshop. Go to the top Options bar to change the font, adjust the size, modify the color, or tweak the alignment. If you're creating a watermark, you might want to reduce the opacity slightly in the Layers panel to give it that subtle, transparent look. You can also combine the copyright symbol with your name or brand. For example, type the symbol, add a space, and then type your business name or the year. This is commonly used for photography, digital artwork, and social media graphics. If the symbol appears too small or too large, simply highlight it and adjust the font size in the Character panel. You can open the Character panel by going to Window and then selecting Character if it's not already visible. Another helpful tip is that since the copyright symbol is text, it remains fully scalable. That means you can press Ctrl-T on Windows or Command-T on Mac to transform it, resize it, or reposition it anywhere on your design without losing quality. If you ever need to edit it again later, just double-click the text layer in the Layers panel and make your changes. And that's really all there is to it. No need to search online for the symbol, no need to copy and paste from another document. Just use the built-in keyboard shortcut and you're done in seconds. This small shortcut can save you a surprising amount of time, especially if you work in Photoshop regularly. Now you know the fastest way to insert a copyright symbol in Adobe Photoshop using the text tool on both Windows and Mac. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.